Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I got the Slay Glam spoilers for the month of November. This box is going to be a good box. I think this box is going to surprise a few people, and you'll see why in a minute. But really quick, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. This is a strictly makeup only box. You will get some like makeup tools like brushes, things like that, but no skincare at all. You're going to get 5 to 7 full-size items every month, and you're also guaranteed a palette every month, which is amazing. You can use code Michelle Martin. That's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. It's not a code I make anything off of. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money when you first sign up. If you like my spoiler videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. It really does help push my channel. If you feel like sharing this video, please do. It really helps my channel so much. Also, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before you go. And if you ring the notification bell, you'll be notified every time I do an upload. I upload at least twice a week, but I'm random. I have different days that I upload. Quick little side note, I filmed this look today, and I'm so glad that I did because I'm obsessed with this look. I think it's gorgeous. These greens are stunning. I mean, camera really does not do these greens justice. I used this palette today when I created this look, and I also used the Rashbi Candy palette, so they pair really nicely together. But I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm so glad I filmed it. So definitely be on the lookout for that video. Okay, so let's go ahead and just jump right into the spoilers. You know I'm going to start with the star of the show, and that is always the palette for me. And this month is a new launch, so that's exciting. This is from the brand Chloe Orr. Now we're going to be getting an 8-pan palette this month, so that's really nice. And this is the Thankful palette. That is such a cute name. I love that. Now in this palette, we're going to be getting a brown, a yellow, a really pretty gold and silver. Those are like perfect for the holidays coming up. Everybody loves a good gold or silver for the holidays. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try this formula because I absolutely love the Chloe Orr eyeliners. I'm actually using the green one, and I love the rainbow highlighter that we got from Chloe Orr. So I'm excited for this eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to try the formula. I feel like it's going to be a really good palette. Okay, spoiler 2 for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from JCat Beauty. And this is going to be the Roll It Up eyeliner. And this is a brown shade. I love that. It's going to pair perfectly with the palette this month. Can you see where I'm going with this box and why I say it's going to be a little different and might surprise people? We're having a little neutral moment here, which is a little bit different for Slay Glam. Usually it's like full of color, 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 color. Some people don't love all the colors. I love all the color. I like getting out my comfort zone, and this box is definitely one that's going to do that for you. But I also am loving the like neutrally vibe this month, so I'm not mad at it. Spoiler number 3 for Slay Glam is going to be a product from Lash Step, and this is going to be a mascara, and this is going to be a brown mascara. So I like that we're not just getting your traditional black, we're getting a brown, but it's still a really neutral. A lot of people are going to be able to use this mascara. I don't have a good brown mascara in my collection, so I will happily add that to my collection. Spoiler number 4 is going to be a product from Illuminati Cosmetics, and this is going to be a lip gloss, but this is a nude lip gloss, and this one actually looks like it has some pigment to it, so I'm not mad at it. Illuminati Cosmetics can be a hit or miss for me, but I'm hoping this one is a hit because it looks like a beautiful color, and again, it's going to go really nicely with the eyeliner. It's going to go so nicely with the eyeshadow palette. It's going to go really good with that mascara, so definitely have a coordinated box this month. So for the 5th and final spoiler for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Bo Babe Beauty, and this is going to be a highlighter in the shade Deep Bronze. Now I like that. I like that we're getting a darker bronzy highlighter. Again, it pairs so well with everything else. I'm excited for this box. This box is definitely a neutral, more toned down box than we're used to, I think, from Slay Glam, but I love it. I'm here for it. I love lots of color, don't get me wrong, but I also love a good neutral moment. Like, you still need your neutrals for, you know, certain times, certain places. So it's nice that we are getting a neutral box. I love getting all the color from Slay Glam, but I Also, I'm loving this neutral box and it's perfect for November. I'm gonna say that I'm most excited for the eyeshadow palette because it's a new launch. I'm hoping that it's gonna be like the same formula as that rainbow highlighter, but we'll see. Fingers crossed for that. As always, girl, let me know, what are you most excited for out of this box? I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!